You can make an amazing appetizer or entree with my Sesame Encrusted Tuna with ginger soy dipping sauce. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. On this channel, we teach you all about celebrating. We show you recipes for hors d'oeuvres, cocktails, food, we share entertaining tips, and we try and keep it simple for everyone, especially those of you who say that you just can't entertain, because we know you really can. So if you like this episode, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and get a new episode every single week. So here we are, the holidays are over, the Christmas tree is down, the lights are down, everything's boring again. But that doesn't mean that you can stop celebrating. In fact, it's all the more reason to celebrate. But since it's New Year, you probably want to eat a little lighter, as we all do. So today's celebration begins with a really great recipe. It's Sesame Encrusted Tuna, and I'm going to show you 3 ways to serve it. So let's get started. I've got a pan heating up on medium-high heat, and I've got some beautiful tuna steaks here. Nice big ones. This is ahi tuna that I was able to get in my local market. I'm just going to give a quick little salt and pepper, just a tiny bit. On both sides. And yes, the salt will be disposed of with my tuna hands in it. Okay. A little bit of oil goes in the pan. Tablespoon or so, just plain vegetable oil. Now I have some sesame seeds, and this is a mixture of black and white sesame seeds. Again, you can get them in your local supermarket. Now what I like to do is take the tuna steak and just dip the edges in. Just like that. And you see this stick. You could do the sides, but I just like doing the edges. I think it just looks prettier. And it's going to go right in the pan. Right. Now you really just want to sear these on each side for about a minute, maybe a minute and a half, if that. Let's get rid of this. While this is going, I'm going to make a really, really quick sauce. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. That's dried ginger, you could use fresh. Tablespoon of honey. Here's the honey, right in. One tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, and that's very important, the toasted. And then 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. Just give it a quick mix, mostly to dissolve the honey and the ginger. And that's that. Now we're going to put this all aside to rest. Let's check the tuna. Beautiful. Now we're going to give this just another minute on this side because you don't want to overcook tuna. You want it to be rare inside. You want to maintain that beautiful red color. And in fact, I'm just going to turn off the heat on this and let the residual heat do its job. We're going to be doing this 3 ways. I'm going to show you how to do 2 appetizers and an entree. All right, these should be about ready to come out. It goes just that quickly. I'm gonna take these out, give them a moment to rest. I'm gonna clean this up, and then I'm gonna show you how to plate them, how to cut it, everything. Okay, here we are ready to plate these up our 3 different ways. So I've got my 2 beautiful steaks here. Just push one out of the way. I'm gonna start with this one and I'm going to cube it up. Very simple. Nice sharp knife. Now look, that is exactly what you want, that nice red inside. It's cooked, it's fine. Don't worry. I know some of you out there are a little scared of red tuna. Trust me. So we're just gonna cube this up. And the first thing we're going to do, I've got 4 little spoons here, 4 little Japanese spoons, just bite-sized cubes. So on my beautiful little spoons, we're just going to put a bite of tuna on each one. That's a pretty hearty bite, but look how beautiful it is. And we'll just drizzle a little bit of this sauce on each one. Just a tiny bit. And then for a little added color, a little bit of chive on each one. All right. Fast, easy, and elegant. Beautiful. Let's put this aside. Next, I'm going to do some slices. A little thinner than I did with the cubes. A nice sharp knife makes this job so much easier. Then you want these as thin as you can get. Now all I have here are some wonton skins, just plain wonton skins. I took a little vegetable oil, heated it up, and gave them a quick fry, and they get all crispy and bubbly and toasty. Again, look how simple. Slice of tuna here, slice of tuna there, maybe one more. Another little dribble of sauce. And you have kind of a nice first course. That's kind of hearty. Of course, more scallions, more chives, for prettiness sake. Now, isn't that a beautiful way to start a celebration dinner? Main entree. I'm going to slice this big guy here. This other steak. Still nice and red. And we're just going to slice this up. And I've got here a nice bed of rice and some greens. And it's okay if you get a little crumbling, that's fine. No one will notice. All right. Now we're just going to arrange these beautifully. On this bed of rice. Okay. I have some scallions this time instead of chives. Bigger plate, bigger greens. And we're going to take the rest of this sauce and pour it in this little ramekin for dipping. Now, how beautiful is that? Wouldn't you love to sit down to dinner and have that presented? Beautiful. So that is my super easy, super fast Sesame Encrusted Tuna served 3 different ways. I hope you enjoyed our episode today. Now, as always, I'm going to put this recipe up on the comment section of YouTube. Remember, follow us on YouTube, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Follow us on Facebook too. We love hearing from you. That's our episode. Thank you so much for joining us. It's great to be back. We missed you over the holidays, and we'll see you again next Tuesday at 7 p.m. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Cheers. Well, hope he's done taking pictures. That one.